Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Bhumika Girish Tadmani. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Sri Channavireshwara Gramina Gurukul English Medium Higher and Lower Primary School, Akkiyalur. This is the experiment of us identifying the acidic, basic, and neutral. I take the indicators of red rose extract and litmus papers, and I took solution of curd, vinegar, water, soap solution, tomato, lemon, washing powder, salt, sugar, baking soda. First, I take one test tube and add some drops of lemon solution. And add few drops of water to it. Mix it well. And add 2 to 3 drops of red rose extract into the test tube. After mix, this solution turned to red color. It is acidic in nature. When the red rose extract mixed with acids, any acids, it turned to red. Next, I take another test tube and add few amount of baking soda to it. By the help of spatula, add drop of water to it.
With the help of dropper,
With the help of dropper,
make it solution.
and it become one type of solution. And mix it well. And add 5 drops of red rose extract to it. And mix. This solution turned to green color. It is basic in nature because when the red rose extract mixed with any base, it turned to green color. Next, I take another dropper,
Huh?
another test tube,
Hmm.
and add some amount of water to it. After that, I add red rose extract using dropper into test tube. This solution doesn't have any color. It is neutral in nature. When the red rose extract mixes with any neutral solution, it doesn't have any color. Now I take another test tube
Add a little amount of
and add little amount of vinegar, 4 to 5 amount of vinegar.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದೀಯಾ?
After add of vinegar, add the red rose extract into test tube using dropper. Mix it. it changed to red color. Which solution it is? It is acidic solution. Next, I take another test tube and add some amount of washing powder. And add some amount of water. Mix it well. After mix, we have to add red rose extract using dropper. And after mix, this solution turn to green color. Which solution it is? It is base solution. Add some water and add some amount of salt. Mix and after add some amount of red rose extract. It is neutral in nature because it doesn't have any color. You can see between acid base and neutral in red rose extract. In acid it turned to red color, in base it turned to green color, in neutral it has no change. These are difference between acid base neutral using red rose extract. Now we are using litmus paper to identify acid and base. Now I take the solution of tomato. First I take red litmus paper and put some drops of tomato solution into red litmus paper. It doesn't change. red, red litmus paper doesn't change.
Shows the blue color. Why?
Nನ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಬೇಸ್
Ah,
ಐತ್ರಿ.
because of you have a base in your hand, so you must clean your hand first. Take another piece of red paper. First, you want to wash it clearly. Okay. Then you have to take another piece of red litmus paper. Okay, and even you are cleaning the dropper also. Okay, clean the dropper. First, you want to take one strip of red litmus paper.
First,
Just want to shake well. First, mix with the well with the tomato fruit. Okay, now take one strip of red
now
litmus
I
paper.
will take one strip of red litmus paper.
Take a whole piece. Now that's different. That solution, tomato solution.
I dip in the tomato solution. It doesn't change to any color
Because of that is the
because it is acidic in nature.
Mm.
In red litmus paper, the acid doesn't change to any color. Now I will take
One strip of
one strip of blue litmus
that is dipped in.
and I dip in tomato solution. Why it is not turning?
So now take a well mix of that tomato. Directly dip in here only, in fruit only. No need of solution. Just you want take another piece of blue litmus paper.
Now I take another piece of blue litmus paper
Directly dip in a juice of tomato.
and I directly dip it in juice of tomato.
Just you want to show here. Okay. Now it turns which color?
It turns to red color
Hi.
because blue litmus turn to red color in acidic.
Okay.
You can see this.
Next what?
Next I take one test tube and add some amount of water and baking soda
It is not put in water. Why it is put in water again and again? You only use the dry spatula.
and mix it well. I add some amount of and I take one strip, one blue litmus paper strip and dip in baking soda solution
Insulin. Show it. It's not
it
the
doesn't change
color of the.
blue litmus paper.
So it is.
It is basic in nature and I take red litmus paper, one strip of red litmus and I dip in it turn to the color of blue,
Into.
red litmus to blue color because it is basic in nature.
Okay.
If the red litmus paper turn to blue color, its nature is basic in nature. If the blue litmus paper turn to red color, its nature is acidic in nature.
Now we are take the soap solution. With the help of how to identify the soap solution is acid or base by using the rose extraction, which you can show it.
Okay.
Now take a one test tube, add a little amount of
Add a little amount of
soap
soap
water.
solution.
This is the soap solution, na?
Yes.
Take a little amount. No need of more amount of soap solution.
And add some drops of
Rose,
red rose extract.
it is an indicator.
Mix it well. It changed to the color of green What is the nature of this solution? The nature of this solution is base.
What next?
I take one test tube and add some amount of curd to it.
It's Karana.
Yes. And add some amount of water. Mix. After I add red rose extract and mix it well. It turned to red color. You can see it is lightly turning to red color.
That indicated the
That indicates acidic in nature.
which acid is present in curd,
In curd, lactic acid is present.
in
In lemon, citric acid.
hmm,
In tomato, oxalic acid and citric acid. And in vinegar, acetic acid is present.
over
Now we take one test tube
water,
and add some amount of water to it
then don't take a more solution because you must save the
and add salt to it.
then make the solution.
Make it a solution.
Next what to do
I
now?
take blue litmus paper and one strip of red litmus. And I dip it in litmus. In salt solution, it doesn't change.
This color is same as it is.
And I take blue litmus paper and this is also dipped in salt solution. It also doesn't change because it is neutral. It has same amount of acid and base. Thank you one and all for watching this video.